Welcome to the channel where we help you increase your organization's operational efficiency. Today, we're diving into the concept of Jidoka. It's often considered a cornerstone of lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system. Imagine Jidoka as a vigilant watchman in a factory whose sole job is to spot any trouble the moment it arises and halt everything to fix the issue. This approach fundamentally shifts the focus from merely churning out products to ensuring that each product meets the highest quality standards. What is Jidoka? Jidoka, often translated as automation with a human touch or intelligent automation, is a principle that empowers machines and workers to detect when an abnormal condition occurs and immediately stop work. This concept goes beyond simple automation by integrating quality control into each step of the production process. Think of Jidoka as the ability of a machine to judge its own operation. If a machine encounters a problem, like a defect or malfunction, it doesn't just soldier on, producing more defective goods. It stops, signaling operators to address the issue. So what are the strengths of Jidoka? The most obvious is increased quality control. By stopping production at the first sign of a problem, Jidoka helps prevent defects from being passed down the line. This is akin to nipping a problem in the bud before it blooms into a full-blown crisis, ensuring that only products that meet quality standards reach customers. There is also reduced waste. In lean manufacturing, waste reduction is paramount. Jidoka helps by ensuring that resources aren't wasted on producing defective items. It's like a filter that catches impurities, ensuring only clean water flows through. It helps empower workers too. Jidoka encourages a culture where workers are more engaged and responsible for the quality of their work. By allowing workers to stop the production line when they spot an issue, it's empowering them much like a video game player who has the power to pause the game and strategize when they encounter a tough spot. And it leads to continuous improvements. The immediate feedback loop created by Jidoka facilitates continuous improvement. Each stop is an opportunity to solve a problem at its root, much like debugging software code iteratively until it runs flawlessly. But Jidoka does also come with a slew of weaknesses, the most obvious being the high initial implementation costs. Adopting Jidoka can require significant upfront investment in technology and training. It's like setting up a sophisticated security system. The initial setup can be costly and complex, but it's worth it for the peace of mind it provides. Tailoring Jidoka to fit a specific manufacturing process can be complex. It's akin to custom fitting a suit. It takes a much longer time to get a suit fitted properly for your body, as opposed to just buying one off the Nordstrom rack. It requires expert knowledge and attention to detail to ensure a perfect fit. It can lead to production slowdown. In the short term, stopping production whenever an issue arises can lead to slowdowns. It's similar to a city implementing rigorous traffic stops to catch rule breakers. While it ensures safety, it might delay everyone's commute. That's partially because Jidoka's success heavily relies on worker participation and vigilance. If workers aren't fully on board or trained, the system can falter, much like a sports team falls apart if not all players are committed or know the play. In essence, Jidoka transforms the manufacturing floor into a smart, self-regulating organism that prioritizes quality and efficiency. Its strengths lie in its ability to elevate product quality, reduce waste, and engage workers in a meaningful way. However, the challenges it presents, such as the need for significant investment and the risk of production slowdowns, are considerable, but can be mitigated with careful planning and execution. Through Jidoka, a company can create a more resilient, responsive, and efficient production system, much like a well-oiled machine that knows when to take a break and when to push forward.